Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from Group 3 want to present about network system in printing. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Sultan.
And my name is Alif Asqaf Abdurrahman.
Uh, First, we would like to thank God because of the blessing and guidance. Writer can compose and present a paper that contains about implementation of information technology in a printing shop. As one of IT introductory lecture, the writer also thanked to Mr. Kevin Harada as lecture into introductory IT conference that have provide guidance to the writer in the process of preparing this paper. Not to forget to writer thank the various party who have given en- encour- encouragement and motivation. Topic discussed: introduce background, system analysis, hardware specification, software specification, network topology, network security, IP deployment, and budget. Background. Currently, as we have seen, many places have been built for office and school. We, we choose this printing from the beginning of our business, so we choose to make a medium-sized printing shop. What with the construction of this printing, we hope that the Indonesian people will be more assisted by our printing because they can save money instead of buying printing equipment, moderate, of course, selling at very affordable price. Even though it is small and affordable, we will not provide bad quality to our customer. Thus, those who have all kinds of printing need our equipment with new computer and printer and also equipped with CCTV, which will ensure mutual security. Our printing company has a server room, main area, lobby, registry, and IT support room. This printing location is very close to the office, school, and city center. Okay, system analysis. We need a PC, monitor, CCTV camera, printer, switch, router, server, and modem plus internet package. Next slide.
Okay, so here we are. We are at the hardware specification. We have the first one, Ladder Voting Center M93P socket package with the specification of hard disk capacity 500 GB, memory capacity 4 GB DDR3, processor Haswell i5 2400, operating system with the Windows 10, slot with PCI, monitor LCD 19 in white level. Secondly, we have a CCTV kit set 3 pieces, 2MP Full HD, 1080 pixel, bullet cameras, 3 eyes with DVR8 channel. The specifications are H.264 AHD DVR-R NVR, makes HDD support up to 4 terabyte, HDD not included, DVR recording resolution 1080 pixels, also IP camera support up to 5 megapixel. Video input or output equals to BNC 0.8, HDMI 0.1, and VGA 0.1. Cameras 8 pieces bullet. Cameras can be used for AHD, TV system NTC or PAL. Sensor 2.0 megapixel sensors. Effective pixels 1920 to times 1080. Length 3.6 fixed length. IR range 40 meters. Power source direct current 12 volt. And we have the Canon all-in-one inkjet printer MG 2570S A4 and HP DesignJet T525 printer 24 in. The sixth one is Synology DS2 Bay Disk Station NAS server external storage 280G. The specification are CPU model Marvell Armada 385 88F6 820, CPU architecture 32-bit, CPU frequency dual-core 1.3 GHz, system memory 512 MB DDR3, drive base only includes 2, internal capacity in terabyte it's 2, LAN port 1 giga is 1, processor on board dual-core 1.3 GHz. 7. MikroTik RB700 761 IGS HEX router. Max power consumption 11 watt. Size of RAM 256 RAM megabyte. Storage size 60 megabyte. The speed is up to 10 out of 100 or 1000 megabyte per second. Ethernet ports is 5. SFP ports is 1. USB ports 1. Max USB current A is 1. 8. Monitor Asus VS197DE. Screen size 80.5 inch, resolution of 1366 x 768. Panel type is TN. And lastly, TP-Link TLSG108 switch 8 port 10 or 100 or 1000 megabyte per second. Interface 8, 10 or 100 or 1000 megabytes per second ports. Auto negotiation, auto MDI or MDIX, power consumption 3.3 watt, package forwarding rate 11.9 Mbps, MAC address table 4K, packet buffer memory 1.5 megabit. For the software specification, operating system for client is we use Windows 10. Suite of application we use Microsoft Office 2016 or as we know as Microsoft 365. Operating system for server is Windows Server 2009. We use for the application for CCTV is iSpy. And lastly, we used for editing and fixing something with Adobe Photoshop. Next.
Okay, the next is topology design. Network topology is a way to make a number of computers connect to each other, either using cable or wireless one. Usually, the purpose of the network topology is for information exchange. The topology that we use is the topology tree, which has the advantage of having a large network, having immediate access, and having good data management. Then has this disadvantage is a relative difficult management, more cost, and has a difficult configuration and maintenance. So the next is map. So this is the map that we make. We have a main area, registry room, lobby room, IT support room, room server, and parking area. We have 8 PC, 1 server PC, 2 printer A1, 6 printer all-in-one, 3 switch, 1 router, 2 monitor, and 1 set CCTV. The next is network security. A network security system is a process for identifying and preventing unauthorized user from a computer. The goal, of course, is to anticipate the risk of threat in the form of damage to physical part of computer or dev or someone data. We use Ava antivirus to protect PC from hacking.
Deployment subnet name we use a from Studio One. Init size is 4, allocated size is 6. The address is 192.168.1.0. with the mask of 29, where the decimal mask is 255, 255.248. Assignable range is 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.6. The broadcast IP is 192.168.1.7. Next, we have the Studio 2. Needed size is 4, allocated size is 6. The address is 192.168.1.8. The mask subnet mask is 29. The deck mask is 255.255.255.248. Assignable range is 192.168.1.9 to 192.168.1.14. The broadcast is 192.168.1.15. The room server needed size is 3. Allocated size is 6. And the address is 192.168.1.16. The mask is 29. Deck mask is 255.255.255.248. Assignable range is 192.168.1.17 to 192.168.1.22, but the broadcast is 192.168.123. Next. So here we have the budget is for the hardware and software. The product is, first of all, the PC, Lenovo ThinkCentre, and 93P socket package plus Windows 10 with the price of 2.6 million each times 8 equals to 20.20,800,000. And then second, CCTV kit, 3 pieces and plus DVR is 1.5 million. Third, printer, Canon all-in-one inkjet, HP DesignJet 3525 printer, 24 in with a total of 950 times 6 equals 5,700,000 plus 27 million equals to 32,700,000 rupiah. For the server we use is Microsoft Windows Server 2019 standard 2-core license SL AAA 286 to 28,634 with the price 1,120,000 rupiah. The router is MikroTik RB760 IGS HAX router with the price of 914,000. In the switch, TP-Link TLSF 1008D with the total price is 228. Internet package that we use with the BizNet network with the Metronet 3A plus modem with the total price is 3,450,000 rupiah. Monitor Asus VS 197DE with the total price of 6,000 rupiah. 600,000 rupiah. Office, Microsoft Office 16 with the total budget of the total price is 13,600,000 rupiah with a grand total of 73,998,000 rupiah.
So that's our presentation about implementation of printing shop. Sorry if there is a mistake or wrong words. We hope for a critique and suggestion. That's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.